All right, today we have the random ammo box challenge. If you're wondering what that means, yeah, me too. I had no idea when he said that to me. Whatever ammo he gets out of the ammo box is the only type of gun he's allowed to use. Absolutely riveting. Can we get a like on the video for that one? No? Okay, yeah, that's fair enough. You can watch these epic challenges live at twitch.tv/MrFreshAsian. Going for 1 million followers. And as always, code FRESH, because your boy needs a Ferrari. Woo!
Alright. Salty. Please. Shotty shells. Please. Come on. Ammo crate. Give me the goods. Oh my god, yes. Come on, surely give me a shotty. Don't give me an ammo crate with shotty shells and not a shotgun. I will actually cry. Gosh damn it. We need to go find ourselves a damn shotgun. Oh, well that's one. Please don't cook me by the book. I will be very sad. Come here. No! Wait, there's a combat. Come on. What you gonna give me? We get light ammo. Just light ammo. Hell yeah. I'm sad, chat. I want you guys to know that I'm sad. Alright. Come on. Mega Mall, do me good. Oh my gosh. Just shotty shells. Alright, I'm not complaining. Sure, I'll damn take it. Where are the damn combats? Where are the combats? No! He has one! No! There's no way you came this side! Oh, hell no! Oh, a shotgun. That. Ha! Give me your damn combat. Epic Games. I don't know why I'm holding 2 combats. All we could use is bloody shotty anyway. Short sock skin. Come on, before the third party comes. They're already here. Oh, God.
This ice cream cake needs a freezer.
Freezer's full.
No. Hey, attack right there for the shotgun shells I get. Hey, Epic Games. Come on. Combat? No? Okay. Alright, this game I'm gonna get combat shotgun. I'm gonna get a bow, and then we're gonna win. I hate my life. Oh. Oh. What the? Where am I? Oh my gosh. I need to get the hell out of here. I hear a combat. Give me that. No, please, I beg. Holy crap, this challenge is a pain in the damn butt. I have no mats. Why is there so much people here? Like there's full sweaty gamers. And I can't do anything. No, he's healing. Oh. Please, leave me alone. What the hell? Nah. Bruh. Huh. Please. Let me drink this right the hell. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell. Okay, it might be a stream sniper. Oh, what the hell is this scuffed challenge, dude? Ah. I actually survived. Oh my gosh, please. Please tell me this is the game. I don't want to do this challenge anymore. It's killing me. We might finally be able to do it. We have 9 limbs, 17 left. Thing is deadly when you're flying in. Look at you, Mr. No Shield. This is my wall. Ah. This guy has like no health. Stop it. Oh, Can you stop being such an epic gamer and just die to me? Thank you. I've only got damn shoddy shells. Like, come on, man. Chill out a tiny, tiny bit for me. Just a little bit. Oh, and two riffs. Oh! You kidding me? God freaking damn it, dude. How did I do that? Now we didn't get full health. No, don't you do that. Oh, that is turning. No! Oh my. I had it in the wrong slot. This is the most scuffed game I've ever freaking had. Alright, that guy was a complete default, and apparently I'm a damn default too. There's no way. God fucking damn it, dude! God damn! Everyone, he's got 2 kills. He's got 2 kills. Please. Shoddy shells again. Oh my God, AR and heavy, are you serious? Alright, Doghouse, you've always been nice to me. Gosh damn it. You've always been nice to me, Doghouse. There's a bunch of people behind me, and I'm dead. So there is no ammo boxes, and this guy's just chasing me. Please leave me alone. No ammo boxes. Are you serious? No ammo boxes again? Go away. You're not helping me. If you're a stream sniper, it's not helping. I'm out here literally just trying to hunt for ammo boxes right now. Come on. AR ammo. Freaking hell, this guy. Get away. It's a lovely run. Oh, no. Heavy ammo only. Are you serious? There's no way we're getting this unlucky, dude. There's no way. Here we go. Come on. Shoddy shells. Alright, AR only. I'm ready to finally get the damn challenge done. Now this way, there's another guy. Oh, what the freaking hello? Oh my gosh, you need someone that's trying to game too. What's up, freaking lizards? Hell yeah, an AK for us. Come on, man. Let's just be nice. You don't have to kill me. It would be very unepic of you. Freaking hell, you had to hit that last little shot. Come on, give me more bloom. Don't you go into that rift. Needed that damn dink. Got 5 limbs, medium only. Oh shit, I can use the drum gun. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, I need the drum gun. Shit, I completely forgot. See, no, I actually did it on purpose. It's your daily reminder, guys, to not drop out of school. Oh, I can't believe I freaking forgot the drum gun. No! You ain't going nowhere. Frick you. Wait, what? Oh, he was just replacing him. Frickin' hell. God, I nearly threw it right there. Oh! Oh! What the? Everyone's just dying. Alright, last guy. Oh, medium only. We've gone through all the sadness, all the unluckiness of all the other ammo boxes, all the other games, getting sniped. We've had so many high kill games. If I lose this, I quit. Oh, I hear that shot in, I'm scared. Oh, he's an epic gamer, no! He's an epic gamer! He's an epic gamer, no! Come on, fall faster! No! Come on! Oh! Oh, thank you. We finally did it. Of course, this last guy was a full sweat. Oh my gosh, only 11 limbs. But it doesn't matter. We did it on medium only. Medium guns only. Oh, ammo box challenge done.